What's happening, YouTube? What to do? What to do? Secret Strain Hunter coming in with a video. And we got a little surprise for y'all. We got a little unboxing here. Y'all see what it is. Perishable. Came in from the airport via Umbee King. Come on over here with that knife, buddy. Let's see what's in this. My man T over here. Let's see what we got. According to this, I got a lot of space left, so I can't believe that. This first time I had assistance doing a video. Oh, let's check it out. Check it out. Good packing job. Heat pack's looking good. Still got a little heat on it. Man. So we got 2 bags. Wonder which one. This got to be yours.
That's the right there.
Alright. I'm gonna lift this up. Check your joint out.
Yeah, these are Festes.
Festes. Real what? Esmeraldas?
Yep.
Ecuadorian. Everybody looking good or what? Hey, remember what I told you, man? Look how they look. They look like what I told you you're looking for. We'll see a lot of... Well, if you want to take them out, you can, but I'm about to see what's up with these. You want to take one out for an example or something? Bag leaking or something? How big was it supposed to be? 2 inches?
2 inches.
One of them bigger, ain't it?
Look like it.
One of them looked like, made me think they're supposed to have been 3 inches. Yeah, this one looked nice size. Look like got some pretty good stuff here, man. Oh, they way bigger than them 2 inches.
This one's smaller.
Mm-hmm. That should have got me some. Hey, do me a favor. Take the knot off. This is a new location, Humbees right here, y'all. First time introduced to the United States. You know I had to jump on it because it's been a while, but I miss my man Big Swaggy. But we got, how you say that, Uhaka? I'm gonna murder that name, I don't know. It look good though, everybody seem like they moving. Oaxacan, oh, I done messed that name up. I'll get back to y'all with the right spelling or whatever. But yeah, these are the new location. This is a bonus?
Nah, because I thought I had 5.
Okay, here you go. Alright. Right. You did have 5.
Yeah.
5, yeah.
Yeah.
Meatball. Well, it's my little bag right here with the, supposed to be 10 in there, right? There they go. All up in the corner right there. They all look like they're kicking. We're gonna get back to the video when we put them in the fish tank. Alright, thanks for watching. I guess it's gonna be a part 2. So if you haven't subscribed, you might want to do that and hit the bell button so you can get that notification when I drop the part 2. Alright, thanks for watching. We out. Peace.